stuck through music, you know, without following the system of the country and do this to get to that.
Yeah, what if I woke up to my dream job? Working for hours till I sleep off. Never feeling worried though, would've done it years ago, but mama couldn't bear to watch me flop. 3 years to a diploma and away from music, so please bear with the hunger, I wanna stay consuming. The opportunity to cook these joints for the masses, I'm caught pursuing this cause I've been feeling like a madman. That's why I didn't get a 9 to 5, or at least I tried and got reluctant, cause I was like, maybe I just might not like it, and it might bite the time that I need for crafting. I didn't wanna die inside. Look, I ain't tryna be the wiser guy, but I wish I said whatever I'll pursue, I'll decide. I never say I like what they chose for me, cause I'd be lying. Wish that I could risk it all, tell my mama I'll be fine. I take to social media saying I like my space. You say it's what I need, but can I make my mistakes? I try to do my best to love, but it don't make no sense. So tell my mama don't stress, don't stress, don't be scared, go to bed, take some rest. Don't stress, go to bed, go to bed. Don't stress, I'll be fine, go to bed, take some rest. What if I woke up to a wishing well? Toss the coin and wished all the elders would wish me well. Pray I don't fail when I derail from the system's trails. Hope they go well, it's been bells, I see you living well. Easy to fail, but it's nothing I can't handle. Advice is like Gandalf, you shall not pass. So the choice to not choose is just to avoid scandals. Planned to take flight, but had to have it cancelled. Look, why I gotta live with all this hassle? I believe in life, you supposed to gamble. They gon' say no dice is in your hand, though. Go wherever you can go. Be the only person in the desert with a camel. Explore yourself, ask what is it I am. I'm tryna be on my own path. There's so much more to me than what I have already grasped. Foot on the gas pedal, elders say I can't, I shouldn't. I take to social media saying I like my space. You say it's what I need, but can I make my mistakes? I try to do my best to love, but it don't make no sense. So tell my mama don't stress, don't stress, don't stress, go to bed, go to bed. Don't stress, don't be scared, get some rest, go to bed. Don't stress, go to bed, go to bed. I'll be fine, go to bed, go to bed. Don't stress, I'll be fine, go to bed, take some rest. Don't stress, I'll be fine, go to bed.
Demons always tryna find me, I put them behind me. They can never catch me close in this process I'm hiding. I put on my struggles away cause I wanna be happy. See how I'm moving, I'm shining, I'm glowing so brightly. Sadness are over, sadness are over, sadness are over. I got Jehovah, he got me covered, he cut of exposure. Sadness are over, sadness are over, sadness are over. I got Jehovah, he got me covered, he got of exposure. Goodbye to my sad days, goodbye to my dark days, goodbye to the stressing I hate. Now I'm pursuing my happiness. Goodbye to the old things, goodbye to the old me. I am cleaning my house, getting rid of everything that is not right. Pull up my jeans wearing all black like a gorilla, tripping the Paco who got. Then in the death of my sadness, now we bury all the stress and them darkness. No more feeling like a cook on the Monday. Now we're resting every day is my Sabbath. I said it, Sunday my Sabbath. No, I get down, get it, watch, I get no time. Mothers of my mental health, give him more time. Better be ready, now know this is your time.
Mothers of my mental health, give him more time. Better be ready, now know this is your time.
I'm rolling on God's time, I am moving. Plenty of air time, I am talking. I got some me time, I am growing. Making some family time, keep on bonding. Sparing some prayer time, I am healing. Having communion, man, it's important. Having devotion time is a blessing. Walking with God every day is amazing. Demons that were trying to find me, I put them behind me. They can never catch me close in His presence, I'm hiding.